Jai Shri Ramakrishna. Namaste to all. Now, you are going to see how to write the online exam and submit the paper using the link sent to you. The question paper will be shared as usual by the link at the starting time as per the timetable given to you. At once you open the link, this page will open. Now, type your name, and then type your class, then select the section ABC for girls, DEF for boys. Then select the gender to which you belong and then select the school. After filling all the details only, you will be allowed to open the next page. Here you can see the question paper. Roman number 1 is objective. You have to click on the correct option. After completing all the question answers, it will move on to the next page, otherwise it won't open. Now Roman number 2 start. Then you can write the descriptive questions in paper. Students should write their exams on rule sheet for Tamil and English, whereas unruled sheet for Maths and Science. From Roman number 2, start writing on the neat paper with good handwriting and appropriate question number to each answers. After completing the descriptive questions, use this add file option. Click on this, you can get the following icons. By using the camera, you can take a photo of the answer script and then click the tick, then click the upload. Now you can see the photo is uploading. You can send only 10 photos for each art file. Here we have 3 art files. For example, if you have written 15 pages means, then upload the first 10 pages in the first art file, then remaining 5 pages will be uploaded in the second art file. The another way of uploading the photo, if you have already taken the photo of the answer script mean, then take the icons, that is a file manager. Take that, then click the upload. Now this photo is uploading. The Google link for uploading the answer script will be available only a specified time limit, that is up to 1 o'clock. You should write your name, standard, section, date, subject on the front page as shown here. Like that, you can try and upload the paper answer script on 19/12/2020 model test. Mark will be given after correction for descriptive answers only. Now, you can click the submit button. You can view the score of the 1 mark questions. For your kind information, children always come to school with full uniform. Thank you.